Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews and insights on kitchen gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving deep into a must-have tool for any kitchen, the best stainless steel citrus press. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this citrus press has the potential to elevate your cooking game, making it easier to enjoy the fresh taste of citrus in your meals and beverages. Now, what makes the best stainless steel citrus press stand out in a market flooded with options? Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this citrus press doesn't just look good, it's built to last. Its sleek, modern design will complement any kitchen decor while ensuring that you have a reliable tool at your fingertips. So, how does it perform? Well, the citrus press has been engineered to extract juice efficiently from various citrus fruits, including lemons, limes, and oranges. Simply cut your fruit in half, place it in the press, and squeeze. The result is a bounty of fresh juice in seconds. No more struggling with manual juicers or worrying about unwanted pulp and seeds making their way into your drink. This design focuses on maximizing juice extraction and leaving as little waste as possible. And it doesn't stop there. The ergonomic handle provides excellent leverage, allowing you to exert the right amount of force with minimal effort. So even if you have larger fruits to press, you won't find yourself exerting excessive effort. This user-friendly feature really sets it apart, making it a delightful experience, even for those who might find manual juicing laborious. But the utility of this best stainless steel citrus press extends beyond juicing for beverages. You can incorporate fresh citrus juice into dressings, marinades, baked goods, and even cocktails. Imagine squeezing fresh lime juice over your tacos or drizzling lemon juice over a vibrant salad. Adding a burst of flavor to your culinary creations has never been easier. Let's also talk about cleanup because let's face it, no one likes scrubbing dirty utensils after a long day in the kitchen. The good news is that this citrus press is incredibly easy to clean. Simply rinse it under warm water immediately after use, or pop it into the dishwasher. The stainless steel surface resists staining and corrosion, ensuring that it will maintain its shine and functionality for years to come. One of the additional benefits worth mentioning is its compact size. Unlike bulky juicers, this citrus press occupies minimal counter or storage space, making it an ideal choice for smaller kitchens. It's light enough to move around easily but sturdy enough to withstand regular use. To summarize, the best stainless steel citrus press is undoubtedly a valuable addition to your kitchen arsenal. With its stylish design, efficient performance, easy maintenance, and compact storage, it not only makes juicing a breeze but also delivers on quality and durability. If you're looking to enhance your cooking experience and incorporate the vibrant flavors of citrus into your daily meals, you can't go wrong with this product. So, head down to the description below to find the link to purchase your very own best stainless steel citrus press, and start enjoying fresh juice in your kitchen today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know your thoughts about this citrus press or share your favorite way to use citrus in cooking. Until next time, happy cooking!